Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious fried eggs. First, gather your ingredients: fresh eggs, butter or oil, salt, and pepper. Ensure your pan is ready for cooking. Using fresh eggs truly makes a difference in taste and appearance. A good non-stick pan or a properly seasoned cast iron skillet will prevent sticking, making your cooking experience much smoother. Just a small amount of fat is all you need. Now let's get cooking. Heat your pan over medium-low heat. This prevents the whites from getting crispy too fast while the yolk remains cold. Gently crack each egg directly into the pan, being careful not to break the yolk or get any shell in. Cook until the egg whites are fully set and the yolks are cooked to your preference, whether runny or firm. Quick recommendation: if you're enjoying this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. Bring your kitchen to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's perfect for setting cooking timers or playing music while you fry eggs. Find the product link and other fantastic deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Once your eggs are cooked perfectly, it's time to season them. A simple sprinkle of salt and freshly ground black pepper enhances their natural flavor beautifully. Use a thin spatula to carefully slide the eggs from the pan onto your plate. Serve them immediately alongside your favorite breakfast items, like crispy bacon, golden toast, or fresh avocado slices for a delightful meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.